Welcome to English with GPT, your ultimate destination for mastering English online. Whether you're looking to improve your grammar, expand your vocabulary, or practice daily life conversations, you've come to the right place. At English with GPT, we believe that learning English should be engaging, fun, and accessible to everyone. Our channel is dedicated to providing you with high-quality content that's not only educational, but also enjoyable. In our videos, you'll find comprehensive grammar lessons, from the basics to advanced topics. We break down English grammar in an easy-to-understand way. Vocabulary builders. Learn new words and phrases every week, along with their meanings and how to use them in sentences. Daily life conversations. Watch and practice real-life conversations to help you become more confident in speaking English. And much more. Our content is designed to cater to learners of all levels. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refine your skills, we have something for you. Plus, with the power of AI, we're able to bring you interactive and innovative learning experiences that make mastering English easier than ever. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss a lesson. Join our community of learners and start your journey towards English fluency today. Thank you for visiting English with GPT. We can't wait to help you achieve your language learning goals. Happy learning!